my beautiful girlies, it's Lindy here. Welcome back to my channel. Beautiful girlies, it's Lindy here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back again here today with a vlog finally, right? So it has been some time. We are popping into Chanel to check out the very new 21S collection. Oh, I don't know what is Chanel doing to us. So many pinks at one time is just so crazy. What is Chanel doing to us, especially dear pink lovers, right? So scary but so exciting at the same time. All the pinks gives me butterflies. So you can see this is what I'm wearing today. I can't wait to compare my beautiful rose Claire from the 21C collection to the very new 21S collection. Spring summer collection, you know, that is really my thing. As you may remember, I went totally crazy over the 19S, and it is still my very favorite collection till today. And you can see I am all in pearls today, so all my brand new pearl back charm chains. So when you are watching this vlog, you can still get 20% discount on all of my pearl love collection. So for all the bracelets and back charm chains, you can get 20% off now. So I will input the discount code right here. So girlies, that is what I am wearing, and I definitely feel so princessy, and I can't wait to take you with me. So we are going to drive very soon, but I'm still waiting for my husband. Amani, you wanna come? Mommy, Papa, 幾時可以返嚟啊? He lost my mommy so much. I don't understand why they are still not coming. Oh yes, I know. I'm waiting for my husband as usual and just taking some really pretty photos. I know how much you love, like my car photos of my bag of the days, and I will input the picture right here so you can see. Let me just show you quickly how beautiful she is in like this daylight. It is gloomy today, so not sunny at all, but I hope that you can see the beautiful nudish pink. She is definitely so neutral, and oh my gosh, she looks so stunning with my jumbo pearls on, right? This is with 9 jumbo pearls. Definitely really nice quality piece that you can use on any of your designer handbags. It looks especially nice on classic flaps and minis. So
Let's go! 我的世界，爱你10000年。
Who loves Britney? Baby, I'm so into you. You got that something. What can I do? Baby. Yay girlies, so we are arriving soon. And I just noticed that I was filming with the beauty mode. It is really hard with this camera. It suddenly changes from my pictures, so that is the reason why. But I will always turn it back into auto mode, so we are back. I have arrived here at Chanel, but gosh, look at this queue. Look at all these beautiful goodies here. The spring summer collection, my favorite. I have this top. Yay! So now let's start shopping. Oh my gosh, so many pinks, and I have always wanted a 20cc. Time for me to get a 20cc. So girlies, I really need your help on this one. Please tell me very honestly, do you think the 20cc looks nice on me? Or do you think it looks a tiny bit too big? Something just stopped me from buying it every single time. But you know, I keep buying Coco handle, so I think I need to give it a chance. Hehe, so happy. Wow. So many pinks. Oh my god. I think this is from the 21p though. The little bowling bag. So cute. Love my princessy dress. So there's something that I came to pick up, but I can't flush it here because, you know, some unicorn pieces you can't really take them out in the boutique, and I also prefer to stay here inside the fitting room, especially when I can't vlog too much with the mask on. So here are some 20cc's. So pretty. All in pink. Wow. With my coffee there. I'm going to try out these shoes. Everything pink. But look at this, girlies. Oh my gosh, this color is a dreamy. So matchy with my dress, but the small flap is not available yet, and I really prefer the small over the medium. So this is my rose clear, and this one is the new lilac pink color. Gosh, it is so dreamy. Too hard to decide. I'm trying not to buy everything. Like, see how pink this collection is. What do you think? I really like these, but I'm not really walking in heels daily, so I'm not really sure. She's trying to find the flat ones for me. But this beauty, let me spin it a bit around. I wish you could see the color. It is iridescent, like lilac, soft, light pink. The flats are much more comfortable, but look at these heels. And especially to my beautiful princessy dress, I feel like I must get the high heels. Just one pair of these. Wow, they are so princessy. Love, love, love them. It's the perfect baby pink shade. This little bowling bag is so cute. The problem is the wrinkles. I really can't take the wrinkles on it. But I really need to buy different types of handbags instead of buying all the same all the time. They're going to bring me a brand new one so I can see all the shoes. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to not buy too much, or also hard to resist all these pinks. Going to try the jacket as well. I really want the baby pink tweed jacket from this collection, but they all sold out in every size. This is the pink one from 21p. What do we think? What do you think about this one? It looks really casual, right? Oh, look at this cutie, girlies. Ah. I really wanted this in the iridescent pink, but even the beige is so cute. This is the iridescent beige one with the pearl on the top. So cute. But seriously, I don't know what to use it for. What do you think? Should I take it or not? It's been waiting so long for me, like 有冇3個鐘啊? It's so beautiful. I just came out from Chanel and check all the entire queue. Like there's so many people. Just coming to get some Godiva chocolate and my favorite ice cream. And look, even this is pink. Woo! Gonna eat it now. So I am back in the car. So let me get the mask off first. Oh, so much makeup on the mask. You can really see, yeah, the makeup is melting. And I just wanna get some water first. Girlies, it was really busy in the boutique, so I was really lucky that I didn't need to queue, so I didn't want to fuss too much around, but I got so many goodies. Like, we are going for dinner now. See all my things in the bag. So I can't wait to share with you what I got. So we are going for dinner now, but I don't think I will be vlogging as my camera is really going to die soon. And I don't want to make the vlogs too long. I know how much you actually only like to watch the shopping part. So I won't vlog when we are having our dinner and walking around other things and buying other stuff. So I am finally back home. Yes. Woohoo! So happy. I can't wait to share with you what I got today. Please leave me a guess if you can guess what I got in the comment section down below. Simba, Simba. Hi Yumi. Hi Yumi. Everyone missed you guys. So this is Mama. Mama Chinila. So beautiful and so calm. Can you see her waist? She has no waist. 好肥呀。So girlies, there is a reason why I am wearing these princess dresses so much lately. I can't wait to share with you, and I am really excited for it. These are made of the very, very best quality. I just can't wait to share with you, and you can probably guess. Today沖涼啦. So you can see they are really, really never naughty. They are just really excited when I'm coming back home. They are calming down really quickly. So don't ever worry. So many of you do ask me if I can just place my things like this. I don't want to tell you yet, but I actually did get something for you again. You know, girlies, when there's a collection that I love so much, I always want to get something for you. And let me just quickly show you here. So it comes in this little dust bag. So a color that is really beautiful and I love so much. So this is the classic flat card holder. So this is the 21p, very sought after Barbie bubblegum pink. So this is called the rose pink, and it is caviar leather with champagne gold hardware. So this is the card holder. This giveaway is still open. You know how much I really love to treat you with something that I love so much. This or the earrings, but I guess I can always see that you favor this one, but I will let the winner choose if she wants the earrings or the card holder. But seriously, we are keep going on with the giveaways. So girlies, this little guy here, he wants to kiss me. So do let me know, girlies. So girlies, do let me know if you would like to see like my entire 21S collection once I'm finished shopping, or if you would like to see what I got now. So 3 of the bags are actually from this collection, so I'm really scared to keep buying more and more, but I did pre-order some of the bags like more than half a year ago, so once they arrive, I am not the person that cancels when I do pre-orders, because those they really only let their VIP customers like order. I already pre-ordered a few handbags like a few months ago, like way before the collection launched, so of course I am going to get all of those, and I can't wait to share with you what I got. So yes, girlies, I really hope that you enjoyed today's vlog. I will probably bring you to Chanel once again when more of my items do arrive, so please give me a thumbs up so I know that you enjoy to see these vlogs, and let me know if you would like me to like film more of the other things that I'm doing, or if it doesn't matter, that's totally fine, then I don't need to vlog that much and I'll just take you to Chanel. So don't forget to join my giveaway for the Chanel card holder and Chanel earrings, also all my new pearl back charm chain. So yes, girlies, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again really soon. The beautiful rosy pink, so the same color as the card holder that I got for you. Oh my gosh, she is stunning. Like another small classic flap.